Hello, in this video we will be building Christmas tree earrings like that, like small Christmas tree and a teardrop shape with a Christmas tree cutout. And you can find these designs for free from my Creative Fabrica store. So if you go to Creative Fabrica, the link will be in the description. These earrings are available for free for now, so you can download them and experiment with them. So from Creative Fabrica, these will be available for free and the link will be in the description. We will start building our Christmas tree and earring. So I'm in my Illustrator and my guides are on, which are 2x2 inch box and guides from Illustrator to start the design from the middle. So this 2x2 inch box will confine the design of the earring into 2x2 inch area, which will be helpful in determining the height and width of the final design. So I'll start building my Christmas tree. So for that I'll just choose pencil tool, 1-point stroke, and start putting some arcs like that. So rounded arcs, and keep on letting it go, and arcs which can define the shape of a Christmas tree. And again, pencil tool, a nice arc, and let it go, and like this. And I just want to build 3 segments, so you can see this is how long it takes to the design you desire to build. So this is, and I just want to make it a little bit rounded like this. And finally this goes here like this. That's it. This is my design, my basic units of the Christmas tree. For now, what I will do, I will select my direct selection tool, rather than select these 2 anchor points, go to pencil menu, choose join tool, and join like this. Keep on repeating this on every segment, because this is the way I wanted my tree to look like. So for this I choose this way of building it. So now all line segments are joined very simply, and I will simply select everything, right click, transform and reflect, and copy, and with the help of a arrow key on the keyboard I'll bring this unit to the other side to make the other half of the Christmas tree. For that I'm going to select a direct selection tool, select these 2 anchor points, again go to join tool and join, and make my Christmas tree. Here what I will do to join these 2 parts, I will simply, because I want to show a flat base of the Christmas tree, I don't want it to be rounded, so I'll just take pen tool and just connect these 2 anchor points, and my Christmas tree is now ready. And I will just make a copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, keep it on the other side and inspect this design. And I will just change it from stroke to fill. This is my design, it's ready. And now I will put a stalk on the Christmas tree. For that I'll just choose rectangle tool, make a rectangle like this, put everything in the middle. From align, I will choose align to artboard, as my all design are right in the middle of artboard. And so this is looking like a Christmas tree, but I want it to taper a little bit, so I'm going to select the box which I put that with the direct selection tool. I'm going to select this anchor point, and with the arrow key on the keyboard I'm going to push it to the other side like this, 1 2 3. So, and again do it for the other side, and now it is looking like a Christmas tree. I will select everything, align to artboard, make sure everything is aligned, object, expand, and unite. Now this is, remember, this is a 2 into 2 inch area, and this is how big the earrings will be. So if I make this tree, and I will make a copy of it, make a very small tree like this on an earring, so this will hold its shape and it will show that it is a Christmas tree. Now we will start building earrings. Our Christmas tree is ready, and now I would like to put it in a teardrop shape earring. So I will put this aside. Now I will make a teardrop shape very quickly. So for that I will just choose pencil tool, choose a stroke color, maybe red, and just make a half of teardrop shape like this. Okay, I'll try again. That's it. It looks good. And I would like to reduce the number of anchor points on this shape. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to object, path, simplify, and you see originally we had 5 points and now we have 2, so this is good. And now I will like to reflect this, transform, right click, transform, reflect, and copy, and with the help of an arrow key on the keyboard I'll bring it to the other side like this. Now very simply what I'm going to do now, if I remove my guides, you can see these are 2 separate entities. For simply I will just select direct selection tool, select these 2 anchor points over here, go to join tool in the pencil tool area and join these 2 entities. Again select direct selection tool, select these 2 anchor points and go to join tool and click and hover, and it will make a teardrop shape. I'll just copy and paste and keep it aside for our reference and safety, and I'll choose this shape. I will just change it from fill to stroke to fill. Now this shape is ready. I'll just bring up my guides again and we will put this shape right in the middle of the artboard like this with the help of align by choosing align to artboard and horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now we can see this, we have to put this Christmas tree in this shape. So first of all I will make a copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and bring this size down to match somewhat shape of this teardrop. So I will make it a little bit bigger and I will align everything to the center. But before that, what I want to do is, I'll just keep it aside, I want to finish this shape. So I will put a jumping hole at least, but before that I will show you something. I will remove my guides. I do not want these pointed corners, they don't look good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this with my direct selection tool, and these widgets, circular widgets, I'm going to bring it down from the top. So you will see it has a very nice finesse clean shape and the bottom is pointed, so that's fine. And now what I'm going to do, again make this 2 into 2 inch tall and align it to the center to see the at least size of this is being in 2 into 2 inch area, so that's good. And now I'll put a jumping hole. I'll select different color, choose ellipse tool, click once, and I will choose 0.11 and 0.11. I work in inches, so this is the jumping hole which machine will cut easily, and I'll put it right in the middle. I'll select everything, check the alignment. So this jumping hole is ready. What I'm going to do, simply I am going to maybe bring it a little bit down. I'm going to select everything, and from Pathfinder I'm going to use minus front. Pathfinder, you can go to Windows, Pathfinder, and your Pathfinder will be here. So this is a nice shape which can also be used as a backing of the earring. So I will just make it, but in fact I will just make a copy of it. Yes, so I'll keep it right here. I want my signature star to also go on this design beside this Christmas tree. So I will just bring this star here Control C, Control V, bring this star here and make it a little bit smaller and make this tree a little bit larger. But keep in mind that on this side, to have material integrity and material strength, these shapes will be cut through this earring should be inside the right amount of the material, so this earring will not rip. Now I'll select everything, go to align to artboard and align to the center to make everything align nicely. Now this is a different object, this is another object, this is another object. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select everything, go to my pathfinder and choose minus front. Here you go, your earring is ready. Now if I bring my back first shape I build, and if somebody wants to use this shape as a backing, so you'll see they will have a nice backing for this particular design, because this backing can be cut in faux leather and this earring, red one, can be cut in vinyl, in a glitter vinyl or anything to make the finished design. So our Christmas tree earring is now ready.